Hey everybody, this is John. Just a quick note about updates. This morning when I turned on the computer, down in the lower right-hand corner where this green 10 is, came a little notice that said I had some updates. I clicked on it and up came a window. But what if you're wondering whether you have updates and there's no window there? You can just go to the search down here and just type in check updates. And you can see up comes right away check for updates. And I can click on that. It says system settings. That's the one I want. And you can see here, earlier there was a button here that said download. And it has started downloading, and everything from here is really just automatic. Tracy at the help desk did mention to me that scrolling down here to see if there's anything clickable as well. There might be an install button or perhaps another download button, but this is where you go for updates. And really the easiest way is, like I showed you, just typing in check for updates right in the search window. You can get right to it. The thing to avoid is to have 50 of these things showing up, which some of you probably do because you didn't do much maybe on your teacher computer over the summer, or perhaps you left it with a help desk. So if you get these all going little by little, they'll install over the course of a couple days, and you'll whittle your way down to, in this case, I've got 2. All right. I think last week I did have a day where I think I saw about 20. All right. So that's a little bit up on updates. Hope it's helpful.